What is depth of market or level 2? Depth of market, DOM, also known as level 2 data, displays the full order book beyond the best bid and ask, showing multiple price levels with corresponding order sizes on both sides of the market. It reveals liquidity depth, order flow, and where participants are stacking positions throughout the book. In reality, depth of market is thermal imaging for the battlefield, except half of what you're seeing is decoys, and the other half will scatter the second you fire a shot. That massive 50,000 share defensive position holding support. It's a phantom battalion, an algorithmic projection that'll pull out the microsecond you need covering fire. You watch it build for 10 minutes, sandbags stacking, troops digging in. Then price approaches and they disappear. Those giant cell walls fortified above, half are inflatable tanks designed to make you think twice about advancing. The moment you commit, they deflate and disappear into the mist, never to be seen again. Level 2 doesn't show truth, it shows theater. The real institutional divisions are moving through dark pools, underground tunnels, and supply routes you'll never see. The size on level 2. That's the decoy camp they set up while the real army maneuvers around your flank. Use it to gauge enemy psychology and spot weak points. But never forget, the professionals aren't watching the puppet show. They're building it. Tactical imperative. Use DOM to gauge market psychology, not liquidity. Watch how size responds when price approaches. Real liquidity adjusts position. Fake size vanishes entirely. If you're new here, join the ranks today. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay small, stay disciplined, stay operational. Gonzo out.